guys, and welcome back to another grocery haul. These are pretty much a bi-weekly Monday video for me now. So I did get some new stuff from Trader Joe's to try out and a couple of different meats that I've had in the past but haven't gotten in a while, so I wanted to share those with you. But let's jump into it. So starting with proteins, how I always start, I picked up some more of these chicken sausages from Trader Joe's. These are an easy, quick protein to thaw if you haven't really thought about what you want to eat for dinner. These are awesome. The spicy Italian, smoked andouille. This is super spicy. If you like heat, you'll love this. And then I just got the garlic herb as well. I pretty much only get the ones that have like high protein. So this has 17 grams of protein, 20 grams of protein, and 17 grams of protein. Some of them only have like 9 or 10, so I try to get the higher realm of that. Lots of the smoked turkey breast from Trader Joe's. I'm gonna be making sandwiches a lot this week. I love sandwiches lately. I've been on a kick with them. And I'm gonna show you something that I put on it a little bit in this video, but I'm also going to be doing a what I eat in a day sort of video for my Wednesday video. So if you guys are interested in how I kind of transform this food into what I actually eat, be on the lookout for that. And I will also link my previous one that I just did down below for you guys if you're interested. But I love this. I love this with a sandwich or just plain, like on like a little deli plate situation with veggies and whatnot. It's like my go-to quick and easy lunch. Got 2 things of ground turkey. We used, I think, 1 or 2 of these last week. I use these in like veggie hash sort of things, tacos, pasta sauces, anything. These are just a really good option of protein, and I get the 93.7. This is something that I've gotten in the past, but I think we just cooked it not so great. So we're gonna try it again this time. It's the Santa Maria brand marinated boneless beef top sirloin tri-tips. That's a mouthful. So depending on what size you get, obviously it's more expensive. This one was only $17, but I mean, they had huge ones that were like $30, but it just looks like this. It's already pre-marinated and seasoned in there, so we'll try that out and hopefully we like it. I'll report back. Also got some cod, which we haven't had cod, fresh cod in the house. Like, I want to say I've like never purchased it really. So I got this. This is wild Alaskan cod fillets. We're gonna do a miso cod for dinner tomorrow night. So I grabbed that. Big thing of eggs, like always. That's it for protein. And now for vegetables, spinach. Again, you guys know I've been making my smoothies and I've been very consistent with that. I also bought that because I bought applesauce for Arlo and I have those reusable pouches. I thought maybe I could sneak some spinach in there and he wouldn't notice. So we'll try that, or even with his yogurt, kind of blend that together, put it in the pouch in a way for him to just get some extra nutrients. Some yellow onions, some russet potatoes. I love russet potatoes in the air fryer as French fries, so good. I got only 2 bell peppers because I have some still in the fridge that I need to use up. A cucumber, some green beans. These are the haricot vert ones. These are just so crunchy and delicious, and they take so, like they're so quick to cook. A thing of broccolini, just one because we already have one in the fridge. Zucchini. I grabbed some organic snap peas. I really do notice a difference when I get the organic versus the non-organic. They just have so much more flavor. And I thought this would be nice if we decided to do a stir fry or something, or just plain, obviously. And then I got the biggest head of cauliflower like ever that they had, because Trader Joe's goes by price per item instead of weight. So I picked this one. We like doing purees with this. So good. Nice and creamy. Some ginger. Got some bananas. These are really green because we have 5 that are super ripe over there. So I wanted some for like later. And then just some red grapes. I got these from Kroger. I really do like the Trader Joe's ones, but these ones are on sale. So I just picked these up this week and they still felt nice and firm. Arlo's favorite fruit ever is now grapes. That's all for fresh produce. I grabbed some staples for our pantry that we just needed to re-up on. So we needed some more granola. Scott likes to have like kind of like parfaits, yogurt parfait situations, and top it with granola. I like to put it in my yogurt as well. This one I really do like. It's the peanut butter protein granola. It's got like legit peanuts in it. So obviously if you're allergic to peanuts, you would not like that. I got some breadcrumbs. We just don't have it, so I always like to have them. I know we ran out and I forgot to pick them up, so I just grabbed those so that we had them next time we needed to use them for a recipe. Also, Japanese panko style panko breadcrumbs. I like doing this with zucchini and like coating it with that and egg and putting it in the air fryer. So good. What else? Oh, this. I just used my last one of these last week, and I love this as a quick and easy lunch. It's the organic split pea soup. I bet it would be even better if you had actual ham in it, because this one doesn't have ham. This one's vegan, I think. Yeah, it's vegan, so it doesn't have any ham in it, but it's good. I like using this with sourdough, like a big piece of toasted sourdough bread with butter. It's a great, easy lunch. For the whole thing, it's 260 calories and 18 grams of protein. Some more jelly. Arlo eats a ton of peanut butter and jelly, so I feel like that's just a staple for a kid. So this is the reduced sugar strawberry preserves I got this time for him. We needed a new thing of this onion salt, which is like the greatest seasoning from Trader Joe's. Definitely check it out if you have not. Random, but we needed more Cascade dish pod detergent situations. These are good, and we run the dishwasher probably every single night. They had the pickles that I love back in stock, so these are just the kosher dill ones. I like the whole pickle versus like the spears or something. These are just good with sandwiches especially. 3 things of coffee. They still have the pea berries, so I got 1 ground and then 1 just like still whole beaned. And then this is a new one that they have. This is the Cameroon Boyo, I don't know. It's the small lot coffee, medium roast with notes of chocolate, almond, and molasses. I feel like this is very fall. I might not actually open this until fall and maybe make it hot, but either way, we could still try it. They've got plenty of them, but it's more like a, I don't know, not sweet sort of, or a very sweet coffee, not like a fresh citrusy coffee, which is typically what we do for our cold brews. These I have not tried and I've been wanting to try. I actually really want to try the rice cake chocolate thin things that they have, but I feel like my Trader Joe's just doesn't have all of the stuff that's new. I don't know what it is, but they just don't. Maybe because it's like in the city and it's a smaller one, but still thought these would be nice for like a chocolate craving. So they're just dark chocolate covered grams, honey grams with sea salt. So chocolate and sea salt. But I did find these. So these are brown rice cake thin. So they're basically what they use. And then I figured I could do a thin like spread of peanut butter and then go ahead and cover them with chocolate and stick them in the fridge and make them crispy, and they would be really good. So I don't know, these are also good with like avocado on them, just anything I really like. Rice cakes, what else for pantry? Grabbed these, which I've never had before, and these are for Arlo. Obviously these are cheddar rocket crackers. They're kind of like a goldfish, I guess, but decided to pick those up and see if he likes them. Just a quick, easy go-to snack. These are the new potato chips that launched. These are the Carolina Gold barbecue potato chips. I don't know, I love barbecue potato chips. So those looked good. I'm excited to try those out. This is like our favorite bread, and I'm very like aware of different prices that I pay, and I had no idea this bread was $6, like $5.79 or something like that, which is insane. But it's honestly the best bread. I like the thin slice because I feel like it's just less calories and less like filling for like a lunchtime sandwich. And for Arlo, it's easier for him because it's smaller, so we can make PBJs with this a lot easier, grilled cheese, all that. It's just really good bread, and it's good for you. I guess that's probably why it's ridiculously overpriced. I got a new wine to try. So this is the Lazy Bones Cabernet. I just thought it looked really cool looking. I don't know, I got this from Trader Joe's and I think it was like $7 or something. It was cheap. Like I said, I grabbed some unsweetened applesauce. I definitely could make this myself, but it is not apple season, so I just thought I'd grab this to put in those pouches for Arlo, because this is 24 ounces for like 2 something, and those pouches are like, you get 12 ounces of applesauce for like 2 something, so you get double the amount. And that obviously it's a much better deal. I just have to remember to like make them. Those pouches are just so quick and easy for like when we're on the go, but when he's at home, I'll probably go with that. Another thing of garbanzo beans, because he's been loving those. I grabbed an Earth Balance butter. I feel like I have like sticks of butter, but I wanted something that is easy to like spread for toast and bagels and grilled cheese and stuff like that. This dip is so good. I got this a little while ago and I've been putting it on my sandwiches. So this I use instead of like mayonnaise or mustard or whatever. It is so good. It's the caramelized onion dip. It's also so good with vegetables. It's a sour cream based dip. My mouth's watering. If you're vegan, they have a vegan option as well. I've not tried it, but this is so freaking good. Got some whole milk Greek yogurt for Arlo and vanilla. This is still the lowest like sugar count. They have a Chobani one, but the grams of sugar were like 26 and this one's only 16. So I went with that. I got us a Greek yogurt, just the plain. Again, we go through those like crazy. I found these at Sprouts because I had to go to Sprouts to get the cod. And these are the Poppy and they had them on sale for 2 for $4, so they're like 50 cents cheaper than what Target does. You guys recommended this flavor, so it's the raspberry rose. And then I've never seen this flavor before. It's the ginger lime, so I'm excited to try that. They did have the cream orange, whatever it is, but you guys said it tastes like a creamsicle, and I actually don't like the taste of creamsicles. They also had a lot of like soda flavored ones. So they had like a classic cola, I don't know, but I'm excited to try these 2 flavors. Grabbed more frozen stuff, some sweet potato gnocchi. I haven't grabbed these in a while. They did not have the Gorgonzola one this time, which I think I already have one in the freezer, so it's not a big deal. And then I tried this one for the first time. So this is the gnocchi a la Florentina, I think. So it's tomato sauce and mozzarella cheese gnocchi. I don't know, I love the gnocchi from Trader Joe's. Update on this. I'm pretty sure I got this one last haul and I loved it. It was really, really good. Arlo didn't love it, but it's basically like little pouches of cheese-filled pasta with like a pink sauce on it. I don't know, it's so good. So check this out if you have not already. I haven't had these in forever, but I thought these would be good. I like doing this for like a breakfast bowl in the morning, like on the weekends and whatnot. I figured Arlo would be really easy for him to eat these little hash brown potatoes. So there's literally nothing on them. They're just potatoes like sliced, and you can crisp them up in like a cast iron or whatever. So these are awesome. Breakfast option. First quick morning breakfast for Arlo, some blueberry waffles, and then last but not least, seaweed. And I don't know if they've stopped carrying the like larger packs of seaweed individual without like the wasabi or whatever. So I had to get these again, and these just aren't my favorite because I need at least 2 of them. And I don't know the difference between like organic versus non-organic seaweed, but either way, don't notice a big difference. They're okay, but I like the bigger ones better. So that is everything that I picked up today for the week. I do a grocery, like a full grocery haul every 2 weeks on Monday, and then like the next week on Monday I'll pick up the week that I don't do a big shop. I do like grab milk and just our basics. If we don't have any veggies left or whatever, I'll pick that up. But I just do one large haul every 2 weeks. So I will see you again back here for another grocery haul in 2 weeks. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, you guys.